Hello everyone, winter day in Chicago, snowstorm. Everywhere you can see white snow. Everything is covered with snow. Let's find my car. It's totally all the cars are covered with snow. It's totally. You can see the snow is so deep. Everything is white. People are cleaning their house. It's all covered with snow. Oh, here it is, my car standing up front. It's a really difficult task to clean the car now.